Y'all, we are back.
Okay, right.
Okay, so I'm gonna just get straight into the video. You're gonna need some baking soda. You'll need really a clarifying shampoo, but this is all I had. Some dish soap, Dawn dish soap, and some developer. I can't remember what they said like in the method or whatever, but I just used 30 volume developer. So you're going to mix everything together, pretty much equal parts of everything. That's what I did, and that's what everybody else did in the videos that I've seen. If this is not correct, then sorry. It did work for me. It could have been better, but I think it's just because I have locks, so it's harder to get everything to penetrate through. So yeah, I think the hardest thing to add and mix to make sure it was equal parts was the baking soda. But yeah, so just watch me do all of this, and I'm gonna mix it up and we're gonna apply it. Something I got on my skin, so I'm just kind of showing y'all like what the consistency is. So you want it kind of runny so it can penetrate through your hair and so it can go on easily. I added just a little bit more baking soda to make it a little bit thicker, but the consistency was still about the same. Hey y'all, so back with another video. So going to Atlanta, and this pink is cute. And I'll probably do it again, depending on how this method works or whatever. But I can't find any Marley hair to match this, and I want to do like a cute little Barbie lock ponytail. So we're about to, I forgot the girl's name, but I'll tag her. I'm using her method of using basically to strip the color out of my hair. So this is what my hair looks like now. I dyed it pink. It's very faded, but I dyed it pink. I don't know, was it a month ago? 2 weeks ago. No, yeah, a month ago. So this is where we are at now. So going to be using the mixture. Yum. But I am gonna do a test strip first, just because I don't want to mess my hair up. Like, I would be devastated if I had to cut all my locks off or whatever, or dye my locks black. I am not, no, like, no. Because I feel like it's almost like no turning back after you go back black. You gotta like start from scratch, which is probably wrong, but I'm gonna do this one strip, this strand right here. So I'm gonna apply it from root to tip. And then put a cap on it. Do the same process like I would do for my whole head on this one little lock.
Perfect.
So here we go. I'm literally just going with my hand and applying it directly on, squeezing it in. Now I did originally have color oops, but I'm terrified of my locks turning green, y'all. Like, I want to choose to turn my locks green. I don't want to have to be green because a product malfunction. So this is what we're gonna try. Since it's locks, I'm trying to make sure it gets all the way in there, saturated well. Rinse my hand. All right, so I'm gonna let that process for like 10 minutes or so. Then I'm gonna check it and we'll see where we're at. So here's just a close-up of how it was working on that first tester lock. You could really see the pink is starting to lift, and then when I started swiping with my fingers, you could see the ginger color peeking through my original color that I had on my hair already. All right, y'all. So it looks like it's working. It's starting to do something. So we're just gonna go ahead and continue the process. Let's hope for the best. And yeah, if I run out, I'm gonna probably make some more. Ooh, hang time, period. I'll make some more, but I feel like this will be enough. So I'm gonna time lapse the rest of it because it's just too long to do. But I will see y'all when I get back. Alright, so pretty much I just applied it on like if I was doing a full color treatment. You want to put it on thick and then squeeze it in to your locks. Make sure it's penetrated very, very well. And after I put it all over my head, I went back and put some more. And I did have to make extra. So I made a little bit extra because I think I used that whole bowl on the back of my head. So that was me leaving to go make some more. And yeah, then I let it sit. So here is it after it's all applied. So I'm gonna put a shower cap on and let this process. I don't know, I'm gonna just have to keep checking on it. Cause the one that's in the back, I mean, it looks like, I mean, you can see the pink that's coming out. Y'all, if this worked, like, it's over with. It's over with. Okay, so I'm about to put this cap on. And I'm gonna actually do two. Clean up around my ears, clean this bathroom. And then we will be back, y'all. Okay. Say hello. Say hello. Show your teeth and your boogers. Alright. So it's been about 30 minutes that this has been sitting in my hair. It's doing something. So now I'm about to wash it out. You can see most of the pink. I'm pretty sure that's gone back there. But we are going to see. I'm also going to do like an apple cider vinegar rinse type thing to get like clarification, all of that, and that also might help with getting the color out. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. So I will come back after I wash my hair and do the rinse and stuff. Okay, so the good news is most of the pink is out. Um, the bad news is, what is that? So, yeah, it turned some of my hair white, but I will probably just go over it with a rinse color, honestly. Yeah, that's what we're gonna have to do. But yeah, maybe because I let it sit in there too long. I don't know, because the front definitely, oh Lord, my armpits, y'all. Don't clown me. The front definitely wasn't in as long as the back. So I don't know. But majority of the pink is out. So I'm gonna condition my hair, and yeah, I don't know. But the pink is out. Most of the pink is out. Like, girl, what? I have to go to work tomorrow. Yeah, goodbye. This was just crazy. Like, you can clearly see that, the ginger is back and everything. But those white spots, like, did I strip the color too much? But I just wanted to show y'all what my hair basically looks like in its raw state. I was shook. Like, look at this. It is white. White. Perfect. All right, y'all. So this is where we're at. 2 days after stripping the color out my hair. So this is what it's looking like. So it has like a white overcast to it. I'm not really sure. Like, I think it's just because of the developer and the baking soda or whatever. Anyway.
I'm in the way?
No. So I went to the store and I got some ginger hair dye by Adore. So I'm gonna just do a little bit of this on top to kind of tone it down a few notches. And I guess to dye that white overcast. So I'm gonna just do a time lapse because I'm literally just squirting and putting it on my hair. Like, why would y'all want to watch 5 minutes of that? But all right. To show y'all kind of like the difference. So this is after the ginger application. I'm probably gonna go back. Oh, I'm not in the camera. I'm probably gonna go back and put a little bit more on there, but I only have one bottle and I don't want to be too deep. So this is after, and then this is just reference of before. So, oh, sorry. So it's not too much of a difference, but it definitely is toned, and that white overcast is gone. So, all right, back to the video. Y'all, we are back.
Whatever.
So this is after I applied 1 bottle of the Adore Ginger. It's looking bomb. Purr. And I still have like some of my little highlights that I had before. So this is just a little bit lighter. But we're back. So happy. I thought the gym was gonna be too dark, and then I was like, hold up. But yeah. So I'm trying to decide if I want to do like the extensions, not extensions, the Marley twist over my locks, or if I'm just gonna do a simple retwist because this color came out so nice, and you know I'm fucking with it. So we gonna see. It depends on how well. It depends on how well the hair. It's not gonna be the exact color, so I'm gonna just have to see how off it looks. So, yep, I'm about to let this process for a few minutes and then rinse it out, and I'll be back. With the extra wide screen, like it makes you look warped. Because I told you my arm looked too big.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, here is the big reveal, y'all. Oh, yeah. Look at that. We're back in action, Pooh. See, I ended up letting the dye just sit on my hair for like basically like 30 minutes. The thing said 15 minutes with heat, but I ended up doing night routine with my daughter, and yeah, so it stayed on there probably longer than it should have, but it came out perfect. I love it. Back here, so I don't know if I'm gonna do another color anytime soon. We'll see. Maybe green for the fall. Itches, y'all. Bye.
I've been singing this shit to Rhea. She's like, you supposed to be performing. You supposed to be performing. I don't know all the lyrics. I don't know.
Get up, Craig. Get up, Craig.
I'm dying.